Good morning everyone. I am Chris Paldiamakna from BSN Math 3A. So now let's proceed to the next topic. So research collaboration between mathematics and science. Teachers and students can be enhanced by technological tools as highlighted by Stacy and McCollum 2010 on study online tools useful for medical practice. So dito po ay sinasabi na sa research collaboration between mathematics and science. So, ang student and teachers po ay nag-enhance sila ng technological tools as highlighted. Sabi nga ni Stacy and McCollum. So, meron tayo dito pitong link na magagamit sa science and mathematics. So, the first one is SC-Link. SC-Link is a free networking community for science researchers featuring propless with biographical information, automated updates, and literature to establish network relationship and publication. So, itong link na po ito is tumutulong po siya sa mga science researchers para sa para sa biographical information and other stuff. So, next is Epimicus. It is a free networking platform for researcher or research scientists offering registration and detailed profiles for automatic connection. It also provides private networking platform for institution. So, dito naman po is isa rin siyang platform for research scientists na nag-offer ng uh, registration and detailed profiles for automatic connection. So, that's it. So, next is, so the third one is the RefWorks Cost Research Support. So, dito po ay nag-offer po siya ng uh, ProQuest former Community of Science products and cost funding opportunities and new addition on the CSA Illumina platform. So, the fourth one is the Research Crossroads. So, dito naman ay nag-offer po siya ng transparent access to publicity-funded research by aggregating data, government and private agencies. So, the next one is, so the fifth one is the SciV. SciV is it is a multimedia community that offers social networking, collaboration and communication. Application for publisher, societies and researcher, allowing members to share video articles, poster and presentation. So, the next one is the PLOS1. So, it was launched in 2006 as an international peer review open access publication. So, the last one is the Connotes and Site You Like. So, it is a major publishing groups produce top social bookmarking tools for reference management such as Connotes and Site You Like and to collab. These tools share common features like one-click browser buttons, keyboard tagging, user profiles, group function, and private settings for collaboration among users with interest. So, next topic po ay so now let's proceed on recommendation for effectively employing online collaboration tools, OOTS, OOTs in teaching. It is not enough that you use online collaboration tools as supplementary strategies in teaching mathematics and science. It is but opposite for teachers to be guided by some principles in selecting and employing these tools. in mathematics and science teaching. So, Hersh Hershak and Lavake, Manti 2012. So, dito is, di lang daw, di po basta-basta enough yung mga online collaboration tools as supplementary strategy in teaching mathematics and science. So, pero ito rin po ay isang magandang guide sa in some principle sa pagtuturo ng mathematics and science. So, the per, uh, so let's proceed sa A. Carefully select specific instructional technologies. So, according to Hershak and Lavick Manti 2012, often multiple online collaboration tools or OCTs provide ways to achieve the same goal, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Ultimately, any choice of instructional technology should be closely aligned with and motivated by one teaching and learning goals. Nevertheless, when selecting among options, the following aspects as are also important. So we have the the following aspect, which is the first one is startup cost. Instructor Instructors should consider the ease of setting up and learning a tool, as most online course tools are use-friendly test driving tool for a student. Perspective is crucial before incorporating into instructional basic function may be in. So next is IT support. To ensure effective use of OCT, it's crucial to assess the availability of technical support for students and instructors, as well as the classroom infrastructure such as power outlet and sufficient bandwidth. So, dito po is dapat ini-ensure po natin na effective yung use ng OCT natin. So, crucial po kasi kapag hindi gaano availability yung technical support sa mga student and teachers. Uh, as well as rin po sa classroom na uh, ginagamitan natin. Kasi kadalasan na kulang yung power support doon is and sufficient yung bandwidth o yung lawak ng classroom. Next is next is tool overload. Student may become overwhelmed by the diversity of instructional technologies, becoming frustrated when they need to use multiple tools for similar tasks. Using common supported tools help focus on course content, managing accounts and passwords for different OCTs can be challenging. So, dito po is dapat may sapat tayong technologies na para sa mga student natin. Kasi minsan yung may mga student na na-overwhelm sila sa paggamit ng technologies. Minsan, gumagamit sila ng multiple tools for the similar task. So, maaaring mag-overload or mapasobra yung paggamit nila sa technological tools natin or sa mga technologies natin. So, the last one is accessibility. It is the technological accessible to student with accessibilities. For example, Google Docs are accessible for to some user with disabilities primary via keyboard shortcuts, but are not accessible to visually or dexterity impaired user who depends on screen reader or speech input technologies. So, dapat po yung tools na ginagamit natin is accessible siya sa mga student with disabilities. Kasi may mga student na tayo na minsan is um, yung bulag, ganun. Then, mahirapan po sila mag-type and sa mga kunyari sa may mga message doon or mga kailangan doon i-encode, yun mahirapan sila basahin ganun. So dapat yung mga technologies na binibigyan natin sa student or uh, pinapagamit natin sa student dapat is may accessible ay pwede rin nilang gamitin kahit na may disability sila. So that's all lang po yung report ko at maraming salamat sa pakikinig.